Why is my debit card not working on PS4? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you why your debit card might not be working on PS4. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to fix the issue with your debit card not working on PS4, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Check if you have turned off online payments for your credit debit card. If you have told your payment provider to disable online payments, you might not be able to register your card as a payment method on PlayStation Store. Step 2. Check if there are any issues with the PlayStation Network. If PlayStation Network is experiencing issues, it may prevent your payment information from being recorded. Check the PSN status page and wait until all services are back online. Step 3. Ensure PlayStation Store accepts the type of card you're using. While PlayStation Store accepts most payment cards, there are certain payment methods that cannot be used. Visit the Accepted Payment Methods page to confirm compatibility. Step 4. Verify if the card details are up to date and accurate. Make sure to enter your details exactly as they appear on your bank statements. You can check your payment details by going to Account Management Payment Management. Step 5. Check if your details contain any special characters. If your name, address, or flat number contain special characters, replace them with the nearest letter from the basic 26 letter Latin alphabet. Step 6. Ensure your payment card is from the same region as your PlayStation Store region. If your card is registered to an address in a different country from your PlayStation Store region, it might not be linked. Use a payment card registered to the same region if possible. Step 7. If the issue persists, contact your bank or card provider to confirm that the payment method is activated, has available funds, and hasn't been blocked. Make sure to have your security information ready. So that's why your debit card might not be working on PS4. That's all for this video.